Hello, this is how to graph circles. Okay, so a circle is it has a center with a radius that stays the same, and it's all the points from that same distance, which is the radius from the center. And they have the standard equation of x minus x1 squared plus y minus y1 squared equals r squared. These x1 and y1 come from the center. Center equals x1, y1, and it's the opposite. So it's the opposite of what it was. So if we have a center at 2, 3, so let's draw that first. 2, 3, and we're going to have a radius of 4. Yeah, I'll have a radius of 4, so I'll have to make this bigger. Just 7. So that would be like a negative 4. Radius of 4, this would be 6. And that would be negative 2. So 2, 3, radius of 4. Over here, over here. So that's r. They're both the same distance because it's the radius. Radius of 4, 7, so we're about there. Then this thing, so we're just going to draw. Look somewhat like that. Okay, so the center is at, again, 2, 3. So we take the r, which is 4, and we square it to get r squared. That'd be 16 equals the r in this equation. So when r squared equals 16, now this, plug it into the equation, which was the x minus, and it is minus because that 2 is positive, and it's the opposite. So x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared, because again it's positive, equals 16. And there's the graph of that circle. Okay, next example, if it was negative, one of these values was negative. Okay, so here's let's make it at negative 2 and 1 with a radius of 3. So 2, 3, 4. So that 1, 2, 3, 1, negative 1, negative 2, so right about there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there'll be a point there, be a point around there, point about there, point about there. It's our next circle. So now we could see the radius is 3, r equals 3. The center of the circle is at 1, negative 2. So then again we go back to our standard equation, x minus x1 squared plus y minus y1 squared equals r squared. So 3 squared equals 9. So that's r squared is 9. So now it's a positive 1 in the center. So it would be x minus 1 squared plus, it's a negative 2 now. This is the opposite of that. So y plus 2 squared equals 9. And that's how you graph and use the equation for circles. Thank you.